Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories, a new HIV pill and new airline routes. To help you follow today's episode, full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are at LinguaWire.com. A new HIV pill in the United States. Now we go to Sophie, our LinguaWire correspondent for health.
Thanks, Daniel. A new HIV pill has been approved. It comes from Gilead. That is a drug company. The pill is taken once a day. The company says it may make treatment easier.
So this is about ease, not a cure.
Yes, exactly. It is for some patients. These are people whose virus is already under control, but they may still use hard treatment plans.
That sounds like a real change for them.
It could be. Some people want fewer pills each day. Some people want to switch treatments. The new pill gives them another choice.
What is in the pill?
It combines two medicines. They are in one tablet. One is Bictegravir. The other is Lenacapavir. The company says the mix attacks the virus in two ways.
And that can help if the virus changes.
Yes, HIV can become resistant. That means one medicine may stop working well. Using two medicines can give stronger protection.
Who can use this new pill?
The approval is for adults with HIV. The company says about 5% or more of U.S. people with HIV may fit this group. Many of them have long treatment histories. Some have taken many pills in the past.
That is a very clear picture. Do we know the price?
Yes. The list price is $4,595. That is for a 30-day supply. The company says some people may get help with the cost. People without insurance may get it for free. Others may get copay support.
So the news is not only medical, it is also about access.
Exactly. The company wants more options for long-term care. It says people should be able to choose. They should choose what fits their life. And this pill is one more choice in that plan.
American Airlines adds new routes. Now we go to Liam, our LinguaWire correspondent for transport.
Thanks, Daniel. American Airlines has added 7 new routes. These routes are for its 2027 schedule. Many of them use new XLR planes. That is a longer-range plane. It has one aisle.
7 routes is a lot at once. Where are these flights going?
They go to Europe and Asia. For example, New York to Amsterdam, New York to Nice, Philadelphia to Porto, Philadelphia to Reykjavik, and Philadelphia to Vienna.
Those are interesting city pairs.
Yes. There is also Chicago to Tokyo. Charlotte to Barcelona is another new route. American also plans a 4th daily flight from New York to London.
So the airline is growing in more than one place.
Exactly. The company uses XLR planes for some routes. These planes are smaller than big long-haul jets. They can also cost less to run.
That helps explain the choice.
Yes. The airline wants to use them for smaller European cities. It says Philadelphia and New York are key hubs. The Vienna route is also special. The airline says it will run into early January 2028. That may help people travel for Christmas markets.
So this is about travel demand too.
Right. Airlines are using more seats in cooler months. Some people want cheaper times to fly. The new routes fit that trend.
And is there a bigger business reason here?
Yes, there is. International flights can make more money. American has also been trying to close a profit gap. So these routes may help it compete more strongly.
First, 3 words from story 1. Pill, a small piece of medicine you swallow. In the story, it was the new HIV pill. Example, I take 1 pill after breakfast. Take, to swallow or use medicine. In the story, the pill is taken once a day. Example, I take my medicine every morning. Choice, 1 thing you can pick. In the story, the new pill gives people another choice. Example, we have 2 choices for dinner. Now 1 grammar point is taken once a day. We use this pattern to say how often something happens. The pill is taken once a day. My medicine is taken once a day. Repeat after me, is taken once a day. Want more than 2 stories a day? Sign up at LinguaWire.com for the free daily digest. 4 short stories matched to your level in your inbox every morning. Set up your free subscription at LinguaWire.com.